Hey guys, I wanted to give you guys some direction on final presentation. After you guys create your colorways, you'll do that with a display, window, and colorway editor. That took a minute. And once you're done, I actually added a t-shirt to mine just so she's not standing there half naked. A quick way to do that was the modular configurator as well. So if you haven't used that before, there's a tab on the left and it has some blocks. And so I just chose like the t-shirt. There's like a little slider. I went t-shirts and I chose dropped, and I double clicked on the regular neck and I double clicked on the short sleeve, and then I went in the 2D pattern and actually just shortened it as well. Okay, so then you can also pick out a pose for her that you think is appropriate for your presentation. So if you haven't done that before, that is under library, and then you'll want to jump to avatar. I'm in female version 2, and then here we have some poses. If you really get into this, you can download poses from the internet, believe it or not. You can make your own in CLO too. There's a lot you could do. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pick, let's see, what's a good one? Let me try this one. Oops, no matching avatar. Uh-oh. Ooh, what avatar am I using? Okay, then maybe let's change my avatar. Okay, so I have to do a little bit of work in order to change the pose. I'm scared to hit simulate. Let's get out of this window. Okay, I guess I'll select everything. And it looks like this avatar might be a little bit taller. This might be a bit of a mess to show you a simple thing, a presentation. Never is simple. Okay, what happens if I go there and simulate? Maybe I can do something crazy and try to have the garment refit. So I just hit auto grading, this little button in the bottom corner. Let's see if it'll automatically make my pattern bigger to fit this new avatar I just changed last minute. Okay, I'm gonna simulate. Still seems too small. There it goes. Come on, come on. Let's get this side to fit. Let's go. Oops. Yes, okay, ooh, interesting. I'm gonna hit the number 2 to reset her view. Okay, great. Now let's see if I'm allowed to access the poses that are already in the folder. Let's see here. Let's try this one. I'm gonna do the _4. So there's kind of a little shadow image next to it. Okay, that's great. That's kind of fun for a presentation, but you know, again, you can play around with these poses. You could try downloading some new ones as well, or even playing with the joints yourself to create your own if you wanted. So, but let me show you how to export this. They have like a line sheet export. Maybe you found it already, maybe not, but it is under our display window colorway editor. And I've already made my 3 colorways. I know you only see 2, but if I slid down, I could see all 3. And what we're gonna do is save image. And then if you choose 3D window, it'll save the colorway in the 3D window. And then we also have the opportunity to save like the colorway editor, which lists all those things. But right now for presentation, I think 3D window would be great. I'm gonna say, okay. You need to be organized with your files and know where you are saving it. So make sure you do that. And then I clicked save and it's not quite done yet. Here's like a little preview. You can choose your orientation. You have some control over how big the paper size is, resolution. You can choose all colorways. Let's see here. I guess you can do, I mean, basically the view count, if we did 4, you can see it's gonna have, whoops, I did 1. Let's go back to 4. It'll have her front, it'll have both sides, and as well as the back too. I think it's nice to have it as a group in one shot. Maybe you wanna choose, you might be fine. Don't choose transparent background. You're done. You have this great presentation. This is nice. But if you want even more control, you could choose transparent background, and then you could open it in Photoshop and, you know, just be able to select individually, maybe get them closer together or kind of put them in a different way that you want to lay them out. You have more control as well. So if that's something you guys want to play with to make a more professional looking presentation, go right ahead. Definitely do that. But the minimum is at least have all 3 of them spread together in one presentation. So, and then I also do recommend adding a header of some sort. I think that really ties together a presentation too. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. Okay, and then when you're done, you'll say, okay, it looks like my window is really big, so you would hit save. There it is, down at the bottom. And then that would give you the JPEG to then use to open in another software program to add a header, or you could even, you know, manipulate those CADs a little bit more in a different software program, again, if you wanted to get them closer together or do anything else to them. Okay, so just wanted to share that as an option for presentation, and looking forward to seeing how this all turns out.